beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's the first time seeing my face. My name is Atunike. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous crochet wig. I'm going to be using this winter art. Yes, so I'm showing you all what I'm going to be using to achieve this gorgeous wig. So I've already showed you the expression crocheting hair I'm going to be using, my crochet hook, my thread. So I've already sectioned the hair on this thread rack. I see people using it. It's going to be very easier for you to make your hair yourself. You just section the hair on the rack down, then start picking. Very easy. I'll crochet this thread into the cap so that when I put the cap on the dome head, that is on the manicure head, so I will know where to crochet to. So that is a guideline. That is what is going to guide me to know where I'm going to stop my crocheting. I really love this cap so much. Even if the cap is not foldable, if you crochet on this kind of cap, it won't show at the back. It won't show. So I'm just showing you where I'm going to be crocheting. Before I wanted to do 3 steps of crochet, but later on I did only 2 because I don't want the crochet hair to be too much, because if the hair is too much it won't be convenient for you. I started using 1 knot to crochet, but later the crochet hair was not holding very well, so I have to knot it twice. Inside the pack of this expression crochet hair, we have 6 pieces of hair inside. I make use of only 3 crocheting hair. I make use of only 3. If you want your hair to be much than mine, you can go ahead, but for me, this type, as in how will I put it, I don't want it to be inconvenient for me because it's not a wig. Remember, it's a crochet hair. You crochet the hair on this art, on this winter art. And again, if you want to use this kind of cap out, make sure you put on a fancy cap under, because some people, as in, they'll forget they have cap on, they remove their cap. So you can secure your hair with a fancy cap. We are in winter time, your hair is not going to be hot. This method is when you are staying in a cold country. It's not for a hot weather, you understand what I mean. So I'll just keep on crocheting. I'm just crocheting the second step now. Thank you so much for your love, your support on my video. I really appreciate you guys so much. I really appreciate you. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click on the subscribe button, and please make sure you turn on notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much, guys. So I'll allow you guys to keep on watching. I'm done crocheting the hair. These are the things I'm going to be using to define the coils. First one I show you was a coil activator, that is the camphor. Then the second one I show you is like olive oil wig oil. So then my spray bottle is just water. You know, this is a synthetic hair, so me spraying this water on this hair, it won't make it tangle. This is a synthetic hair, it's not a human hair. I purchased this hair for €8 in my beauty supply store in my area. So I'm just detangling the hair now. After I finish spraying the water, I'll use my hand to detangle the hair. Just going in with the coil activator. Can you see that the coil is really bouncing back? Yes, when you have the cap on, if you think it's kind of tangling, you can spray it with water, then use a coil activator, then a oil weave. Am I right? So just keep on watching. Let's try the cap on. If you don't want to put on this kind of dumb cap I'm putting under the hair, you can use a fancy cap underneath it. It's cold season, your head won't be hot, or how will I say it, you have to secure it. So now you can see I really love the outcome of these coils. It's not too much, it's normal. Can you see that? Don't mind me, I joke so much. So I'm just adjusting the cap. I'm going to be showing you guys the final look now. Oh, come on, come on. So this is the back. Can you see that it's not showing that I crochet this hair? Then this is the final look. Oh my god, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're not subscribed, can you please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, share with your loved one. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye, ciao, love you.